December 29, Julian Crypto, it's Maximus. Nothing here is a financial advice. So, last days we had big movements, pretty big movements on Bitcoin, on spot reserve exchanges. As you can see, big inflow, and after that we had this price dump. Before we have also big inflow of stablecoins on spot exchanges, so that was positive inflow. But after a few hours, as you can see, big inflow on derivatives. So pretty big movement of the price. We cannot predict what kind of movement. Only looking at this inflow, also only looking at this inflow, we cannot predict what kind of movement it would be. But analyzing Bitcoin reserve on spot exchanges, also stablecoins reserve on spot exchanges, we can predict if it's positive, bullish, or negative, bearish movement. So as you can see, bearish movement, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, because these are stablecoins on spot exchanges and these are stablecoins on derivatives. So potentially big movement, and analyzing this bearish inflow, we can predict that it will be price dump. And it was dump of the price, and our tools on channel 2.1 predict that dump just before it started at 6:20 at 6:20, and we will show you right now how the price of Bitcoin looks like at 6:20. So it was at this moment when our tool send you a signal for selling right here at this moment, and right now you can buy Bitcoin 8%, more than 8% cheaper. So this was really good signal. And let's go on, look at fees and look at long-term hodlers SOPR. So we said that because of fees and our indicator went down to almost zero, also long-term hodlers SOPR also went down almost to zero, and it was bullish. The price went up, but right now we have pretty big fees, and as you can see, such high fees few times before were just before the price were going down. So right now pretty high fees, and we can ask ourselves if the price will go down again. Right now also we are waiting for long-term hodlers and this indicator. We are waiting for this indicator to go to the zero, and when it will go, maybe it will be good sign to buy. Right now there is no of that sign. Also stablecoin ratio, so divided Bitcoin reserve on exchanges and by stablecoins reserve on exchanges, and Bitcoin is counted in dollars. So right now it seems to be low. So basically it's good sign. But we are waiting for this indicator be a little bit higher. So we are waiting for some peak, and when the peak will come, probably it will be also good sign to buy, good moment to buy. Right now, when we are looking at fund flow ratio and tokens transfer total, we see that there is big movement, big moves, many moves on exchanges. And this kind of moves were here, also here. Meanwhile, at the same time, there is no sign of big movement, of big transfer on blockchain. So this kind of pattern we saw a few times before, and most of that patterns, most of the times, price went down. So right now it's also a bearish sign. And again, stablecoin ratio right now is relative strength index of stablecoin ratio 60 hours. And we are looking again for that movement here, that move here, that peak, which may happen. And if it will happen, it maybe it will be sign of a good time to buy Bitcoin. And again, Bitcoin price, and right here the exchange whale ratio, moving average 72 hours. Pretty big inflows to exchanges. It happens before few times, and right now, as we can analyze long-term hodlers fees and Bitcoin and stablecoin reserves, we can predict that it may cause pretty big movements of the price. It may go down because of that movements. Maybe someone want to sell his Bitcoins. And look at this chart. This is comparison of cycles of Bitcoin. 2013, that green one, 2017, that blue one, and 2021, the yellow one. Here are the top of the cycles, previous tops, and here in that point are moments of halving. So look at 2013 and look at 2021. It seems to be a little similar, a little bit similar. Also 2017 seems to be a little bit similar. We are asking ourselves right now, what will happen with the price? Where and when price will go? And we asked this question in July this year, and at this moment we draw that line, we calculate a little bit, and we analyze that the top of the cycle, it may be in August 2022, it may be, we don't know, but it may be that moment, and the bottom of cycle 2023 in March, so in 1 year, more than 1 year. We will see, we don't know, we will see. But this is our this is what we have analyzed. And what is your opinion? What is your opinion? Give us your opinion, write in the comment below, and tell us how do you think. What do you think this cycle would be? Alright, for now it's everything. We are still producing max data, Maximus tools to analyzing crypto market. We are producing tools to analyze on-chain data and analyze fundamental information from on-chain and from the market. So feel free to use it. We will give you access to English versions soon. So see ya, and let's get some money on this market. Cheers.